Now let's take a broad range of phytonutrients. And I say broad range, let's take 3, which are carotenoids, which are the bright colors, flavonoids we've mentioned, isothiocyanates, so your cruciferous vegetables. These are some of the effects that have been described in scientific research. And I'll pause for you to read them, but just look at the stuff that these plant nutrients do. And I've marked in red the ones that I think in particular are pertinent to our discussion, which is better aging, less degenerative change. They're antioxidant, they're anti-inflammatory, and they improve mitochondrial function. But look at all the other things that they do. It seems that our cells are meant to see these nutrients in sufficient quantity in order to help regulate our cell behavior. And that does seem to be the case. The more we study phytonutrients, is the more we come across this mysterious fact that they seem to influence virtually every positive action that cells perform. But the mistake that we're making as a society, particularly in the West, is we just don't get enough of them in. We don't. Our diets are too animal-based, not enough plant-based. And science is now teaching us that this is the wrong way. So plant nutrients, studies show that they reduce risk of all of these diseases, and you'll see that these are the degenerative diseases of Western society. And phytonutrients, when you eat broadly of them, reduce our risk of those diseases. AMDs, age-related macular degeneration. Now, I mentioned this because it's a particular product that I now recommend a lot to my patients. It's called NewGen. Now, why is it important? Because most of us in this room, and probably I'm speaking to an educated audience and people who have already made the modifications in their lifestyle. But basically, it's plant-based, organic source, plus it has a full complement of healthy bacteria as well, all in one supplement. So for obvious reasons, and bear in mind what I've just said, I recommend if people want to supplement their plant-based intake in an easy way that they don't have to think about on a daily basis, a scoop of that a day will do them a world of good, bearing in mind what we've just said.